My name is Henry Daniel Zegzula. Most people call me Dan. I'm a plastic surgeon in Portland, Oregon. So there is a new technique that's coming to the market that I learned about in my recent trip to Costa Rica to visit the Motiva factory. And this technique has a name. It's called MIA, M-I-A, MIA Femtech. And it involves doing breast augmentation through a small 2-centimeter incision, usually in the axilla, and with some special tools allowing breast augmentation to be performed through that tiny incision with these new generation of breast implants. It's completely above the muscle, and the whole operation takes about 40 minutes, and patients are able to exercise within a week. They were interviewing a Costa Rican professional boxer who had a 2-week period of time that she could be down before she had to start training for her next fight. And she had the MIA Femtech procedure, and she was training on the punching bag within 2 weeks after that, and then in the ring 6 weeks after that. So it's a pretty cool technique, and these are all above muscle, all on slender athletic athletes, and very natural, nice looking results. So I'm really excited about this technique and these devices coming to the US market. Femtech, what does that mean? Femtech is using technology to improve the health of women. And they are working on several different fronts, most notably with breast implants and building a better breast implant. And that's what they've brought to the United States. And that implant, their Motiva implants, have recently been approved by the FDA for use. And it's important to realize that these implants were built from the ground up with making a better implant that's going to be safer to use and give better results. And that's what's exciting, is that from the ground up, these implants are designed to be different, and they really are. And I'm really excited to start using them because there's a lot of new things and a lot of new technology that would have gone into these implants to make them special. All of the implants that we use are FDA approved for breast augmentation in the United States. Some of the implants that we're still using in the United States, the technology dates back to the 1970s. That specifically is like the saline breast implants that we use. And saline breast implants are very safe. They're very commonly used, but they're older technology, and there's definitely limitations on the results that you can get when you're using a saline implant. The gel implants that are being used, they were recently approved for use in the United States. That was around 2006, and then around 2012, Sientra came along, and now it's 2024, and Motiva has come along. With every new breast implant company and every new breast implant that's brought to the market, there's usually some new innovation and some new technology behind them, which makes them different and makes them special. Every implant is safe. Every implant has been thoroughly studied. But the newer implants, I do think the technology that's built into them offer things that the older implants don't.